Alright, you guys, today's video we're going to show you, well, you're already seeing it, just how the light setup is looking at nighttime in its natural habitat. So this right now, what you're looking at is the 55 watt HIDs in the halogen projectors along with LEDs in the fogs. So this is what it looks like. But the purpose of today's video is to demonstrate just how well the JDMAstar headlights bulbs actually look. So I have the JDMAstar ones in the Highbeams and they look great. So once we get into a little bit more road here, I will flick them on. Just keep in mind that the fog lights do turn off when I turn the headlights on. That's just the programming on this truck. So to make a fair comparison, I'm going to turn the fogs off. So that's the difference with the fogs off. So it's just kind of the up close stuff that changes. It's really not a huge difference, but that's the difference there. So now if I turn on my highs, that's the difference that you're seeing. It is insanely bright. So this is what happens on these trucks is the highs come on and the lows stay on. So this is what you're seeing. So that's the difference. Here's just the lows, there's the highs. You can see far better with these high beams turned on. I mean, the light output is just ridiculous. I hope the camera's picking it up. Don't mind the shaky video, I'm doing my best here, but yeah, this is phenomenal. Like, check out the distance. There's lows, there's highs. It is just wicked. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to do any other comparisons for you guys. I'd be happy to do so, but this setup is way better than stock. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you just how much better than stock it is, but even just without talking about stock, this is an amazing light setup. Like, check out just how far, like, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. Like, this is as bright as day. Yeah, I'm not trying to blind anybody. I'm pretty ethical with that, but there you go. It is just insanely bright. And maybe if let me raise the camera a little bit over to the dash, just so you can kind of see. We got another car coming. But check out how bright that is. Like, I don't think it gets a whole lot better than that, you guys. So once these cars go by, I will show you from a different perspective, maybe with the camera slightly higher, just what it looks like. And here we go. Boom. Check that out. Way better visibility, good cutoff. You can see every vehicle that we've gone past isn't flashing in it. Like, when they're on lows, they're on lows. It's not blinding people. I know some people like to blow things out of proportion, but definitely, yeah, definitely a good cutoff. I think I flashed that guy by accident. I wasn't sure he was coming, but anyways, that is gonna do it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you want to see any different angles, any other perspectives, I'm also gonna get some drone footage of these bulbs too, and that way you guys can see an overhead view of just what the setup looks like and how it's performing. All right, guys, see you in the next video.